Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Applegoat Valley Farm. We raise Nubian and mini Nubian dairy goats along with Texas cattle and other things. It's starting to rain, so the goats are running. Everyone knows goats hate rain. It's February, not much is growing on the farm, so we're walking the goats around the house and the dairy and seeing what they can nibble on, down branches, and little bits starting to grow. Anyways, first video, I'm gonna try putting up videos so everyone can see what's happening on our farm. This is Little Farmer. These are his goats, and thanks for supporting our farm.